I've been in business for just about a year now, and during my time, I have met many families, family members, and seniors, adult children. And my top three advice to anyone, who has older adults in their lives, senior parents, aging parents, is these. One is save memories. Very, very important. Ask questions and get to know your parents, how they met. Is there a family secret recipe that you want to know? So one of my particular client, which is very, very special story I want to share. So they've been married together for 75 years. They were both 97. And the mother recently passed away, and between them they had 4 children. And they hosted this celebration of their mother's life event. We were part of that event too. And they played this video that they made of their parents probably several months ago. And the parents talking about where they were born, what their childhood was like, how they met, and the challenges they faced as a married couple, and those 4 children, each experiences, and what year they were born, what kind of experiences they were having as a family and those years. And it was just wonderful to watch. Amazing memory assets for those 4 adult children to share with their own children and so on. Save memories, share those moments before it's too late. Number 2 is make funeral arrangement. Now, that could be a very difficult conversation and something you don't want to do, or something you're in a denial. But that's something maybe you can get, funeral director to do, or if you're working with a hospice, in-home hospice, something that they are very comfortable and they can say the right things and ask the right questions. But one thing you want to avoid during time of grief is, one is guessing what they would have liked, and 2 is having that conflict with the siblings or the other family members over what should be done. And number 3 is the financial decisions or financial papers. So wills, trusts, deeds, titles, long-term insurance, if there is any, or any type of insurance. Those kind of conversations must be had, and the copies of the documents should be accessible and available to the adult children or whoever's in charge of the financials once that person no longer able. So power of attorney is one of the biggest issues that I come across in a recent case. This lady lived alone, and her power of attorney who didn't speak any English. So that delayed her process of getting the right help significantly. So having plan in place, having somebody who can execute decisions if you're in the state of you can no longer make a decision for yourself is so very important. This is for seniors themselves to think ahead, or the adult children or relatives to have that conversation earlier than later.